In this video, you're going to learn how to lead the song Evidence by Josh Baldwin with just you and an acoustic guitar. Coming up. Hey, Spencer here from leadingworshipwell.com. In this video, we're taking a look at the song Evidence by Josh Baldwin. If you haven't checked out the cover that I put out of this song yet, you can check that out right here. It's going to show you the arrangement that you're going to learn in this tutorial. Also, I'm going to be using a lot of advanced guitar chords in this tutorial. Don't worry, I'm going to show you all of the chords that you need to know to play this song, but there is a link down in the description below to a free PDF called 25 Advanced Guitar Chords that I put together to help you learn even more of these advanced guitar chord shapes. So if you're interested in that, check it out in the description below. Other than that, let's get into the tutorial. All right, here we are in verse number 1. This song just starts right away. You can kick her off Wichita with a harmonic if you want to set the key in your mind. Other than that, you can just go straight into it. I am going to be doing some finger picking and some slapping. You don't have to do that. If you don't know how to do that, I don't have time to break down all of the finger picking and slapping because I do a lot of it. It's kind of more like, I think of it like a strum pattern than all these individual notes. I think that's where people go wrong, is they think I've got to learn each individual note. There's no right or wrong way to do this finger picking stuff. But if you can't do it, then just strum. It's perfectly fine if you go like this. That's going to work here too. But other than that, here are the chord shapes that I use right here. I'll just play through verse number 1. Sounds like this. All throughout my history, faithfulness has walked beside me. The winter storms made way for spring. In every season, from where I'm standing, into chorus number 1. Here we are in chorus number 1. The chord shapes will be right here. Chorus number 1 sounds like this. I see the evidence of your goodness all over my life, all over my life. I see your promises in fulfillment all over my life, all over my life. Into verse number 2. Here we are in verse number 2. We're going to open the chords up a little bit here compared to verse number 1. They'll be right here as I play through. Sounds like this. Help me remember when I'm weak. Fear may come, but fear will leave. You lead my heart to victory. You are my strength, and you will always be. Into chorus number 2. Here we are in chorus number 2, and we're playing the same chord shapes as chorus number 1. We're just going to strum a little bit harder, so pay attention to that. Sounds like this. I see the evidence of your goodness all over my life, all over my life. I see your promises in fulfillment all over my life, all over my life. Into the bridge. Here we are in the bridge, and we're going to play the beefiest chords here because this is the loudest part of the song, so the chords will be right here as I play through. Sounds like this. See the cross, the empty grave, the evidence is endless. All my sin rolled away because of you, oh Jesus. I see the cross, the empty grave, the evidence is endless. All my sin rolled away because of you, oh Jesus. Into the final chorus. Here we are in the final chorus, and after we come out of the bridge, we're kind of going to back it down, and it's going to go to a little percussive part to make this bass sound. I'm just using this part of my hand right here and hitting it right there. So if you want to do that, you can, and then we're going to build it out of that to repeat the second time. So we're going to use some different chord shapes for that. Altogether, the final chorus sounds like this. I see evidence of your good days all over my life, all over my life. I see promises in fulfillment all over my life, all over my life. I see the evidence of your good days all over my life, all over my life. I see your promises in fulfillment all over my life, all over my life. Into the outro. So why should I fear? The evidence is here. Quiet here. So why should I fear? The evidence is here. Congratulations, now you know how to lead the song Evidence by Josh Baldwin with just you and an acoustic guitar. If you liked some of those advanced guitar chord shapes that I just showed you and you want to learn even more of them, I got you covered. There's a link down in the description below to a free PDF called 25 Advanced Guitar Chords where you can learn even more of these advanced guitar chords. Other than that, thanks so much for joining me today. Until I see you in the next video, keep leading worship well.